Rebel State Sovereign here. Today I ran across a Bloomberg article. Bloomberg, as you know, is pretty well respected. And the article piqued my interest because of success on YouTube still means a life of poverty, is what this is stated in their article. Now, I do have some problems with the way the article is presented, but it does point out a couple things. It says that you can have 1 million views a month and still not be able to make rent. Well, that may be so, but you shouldn't be renting. People buy, own, if you can, make it happen, budget your money. It's better to be a homeowner. Second, the article was written by Chris Stokel-Walker. This is February 27th, 2018, on 1:11 a.m. Eastern Standard Times when he wrote this article. And he's backed it with a lot of research. Problem is, he has forgotten about Super Chat. He has forgotten about a lot of things. And I want your discussions left down in the comments below. I will post this article's link where I found it here in the description below. If you guys want to go search it up yourself, look it up. I couldn't leave comments there, but you can leave them here. Maybe Chris will take a look and reconsider. I know plenty of people who are making money on YouTube who supplement their income. Some are full-time, some are not full-time. It all depends on how much time you actually want to put in to this job that we call YouTube. Because, guys, it's not easy. His little snidey remark at the end about poor about Felix PewDiePie. I have to disagree. Basically, he's saying, tell you kids if they still want to be on YouTube, let them be gamers. Well, he's forgot about watch time. The more time you have on YouTube, the more ads you're able to run. That's where the algorithm kind of benefits YouTube gamers versus vloggers versus etc. Whoever, whatever genre you may be in for YouTube. Anyway, I want to hear your thoughts on it. The comment section's open up to you guys. I hope you enjoy. Feel free to read. I'm not going to read the whole thing to you. Please don't be lazy. Anyway, much love, everyone. And thank you for participating. I will read all the comments.